Hey everyone! Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to share with you how to create a decadent dark chocolate cake with the smoothest icing you've ever tasted. So grab your apron, preheat your oven, and let's get baking. First things first, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, and make sure it's the good stuff because it makes all the difference. 2 cups of sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of whole milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of boiling water. Yes, boiling. This is the secret to getting that rich, moist texture. Now let's mix our dry ingredients in a large bowl. Whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In another bowl, mix together the eggs, milk, oil, and vanilla extract. Once that's combined, slowly add it to your dry ingredients, mixing as you go. Finally, stir in the boiling water. The batter will be quite liquid, but don't worry, that's exactly how it should be. Pour the batter into 2 greased and floured 9-inch round cake pans. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cakes cool in the pans for 10 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. While our cakes are cooling, let's whip up the icing. You'll need 1/2 cup of butter softened, 2/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 3 cups of powdered sugar, 1/3 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat the butter until it's light and fluffy. Gradually add the cocoa powder and powdered sugar, alternating with milk and beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla. Now the fun part, assembling our cake. Place 1 cake layer on your plate, spread a generous layer of icing, then top with the second layer. Cover the entire cake with the remaining icing, and voila, your masterpiece is complete. There you have it, a perfectly moist and irresistibly rich dark chocolate cake with icing. Perfect for any occasion, or just a sweet treat to brighten your day. Thanks for baking with me today, and I'll see you next time with another delicious recipe. Stay sweet.